Welcome to the brand new header dies, okay? So we've got 4 different varieties for you. So here we've got the happy anniversary or happy birthday. We've then got the thinking of you die. Now there's multiple dies in here allowing you to be able to add scrolls and also put backing plates in as well. Now we've got thank you in there. We've also got sending love. So what do these actually do? So your different varieties are your happy birthday, you can see as a traditional header, or if you wanted to, you could actually take that completely out and just have it as a topper. Now that also comes with your happy anniversary. So that's one collection. Your second collection is so pretty. It's very pretty. You have got sending love as that beautiful header in there. But if you just want it as a card front, you can have it just as a card front because it will actually stay in the perimeter of your card. So that's your second one. You've then got thinking of you with a cheeky little daisy just on the top there as a traditional header, but as I say, you get the dies in there that you can also cut a backing plate as well, but that one will also stay in your cardstock, so that there could be the front of your card, and you don't need a lot more, maybe make it into a shaker behind, that sort of thing. But then you've also got thank you. So here we've got thank you in the cardstock, or thank you as a header die as well, because you can have it popping up or in the front. The choices are down to you. But as I say, we have got the 4 different varieties in there. We've got a happy anniversary or happy birthday, followed by thinking of you with thank you and also sending love. And I can't wait to see what you make.